Take a ride in the 2018 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full-throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, wheel covers, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.